Hello everyone. In this series, we will discuss the tragic flaws in Shakespeare's plays. And in this video, we are going to discuss the play Antony and Cleopatra. Introduction. In Antony and Cleopatra, Mark Antony embodies the tragic hero consumed by potent mix of excessive passion and indulgence. This tragic flaw treats him between the demanding life of a Roman general, sworn to duty and honor, and the intoxicating love he finds with Cleopatra, the Queen of Egypt. This internal conflict, where he fails to balance his responsibilities and desires, ultimately leads to his downfall. Antony's reckless passion. Antony's reckless passion is evident throughout the play. His infatuation with Cleopatra overshadows his obligations as a Roman leader. In a pivotal moment, Antony declares, "Let Rome in Tiber melt, and the wide arch of the arranged empire fall. Here is my space." Act 1, Scene 1. This statement highlights his willingness to forsake his duties for Cleopatra's love, prioritizing his personal desires over his responsibilities to Rome. This prioritization of love over duty sets the stage for his tragic end, illustrating how his excessive passion blinds him to the consequences of his actions. Cleopatra's influence on the tragedy. Cleopatra's character too contributes significantly to the tragedy. Her overweening pride and distrustful nature exacerbate the tension between her and Antony. She is quick to test Antony's loyalty, often manipulating him to secure his affections and allegiance. Cleopatra's constant need for validation is evident when she demands, "If it be love indeed, tell me how much." Act 1, Scene 1. This persistent need for assurance drives a wedge between Antony and his duties, pushing him further into conflict. Cleopatra's pride and its consequences. Cleopatra's pride is also a crucial element in the unfolding tragedy. Her pride, masking a deep insecurity, fuels her distrustful nature. When she observes Antony's ships deserting, she misinterprets it as betrayal, crying out, "The false Fulvia spirit pursues me then." Act 4, Scene 10. This impulsive distrust further isolates Antony and fuels the flames of their inevitable downfall. Volatile dynamics of Antony and Cleopatra. The interplay of Antony's indulgence and Cleopatra's prideful, distrustful demeanor creates a volatile dynamic. Antony's inability to reconcile his love for Cleopatra with his role as a Roman general culminates in a series of tragic decisions leading to his ultimate demise. His declaration, "Let Rome in Tiber melt, and the wide world sink in the wave of care. Methinks we are undeserved of treason." Act 3, Scene 11. Illustrates his complete disregard for his duties in favor of his passion for Cleopatra, further sealing his fate. Tragic dance of Antony and Cleopatra. Through these intertwined flaws, Antony and Cleopatra engage in a tragic dance where their love, instead of being a source of strength, becomes the very instrument of their destruction. Antony's story serves as a poignant reminder of the perils of excessive passion and the struggle between personal desires and public responsibilities. Their tale underscores the devastating consequences of allowing personal indulgence to overshadow duty, ultimately portraying a tragic narrative of love and downfall. So this was the discussion on the tragic flaw in the play Antony and Cleopatra, which ultimately led to the death of Antony as well as Cleopatra. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other play by Shakespeare and the elements of tragic flaw in that play. Until then, goodbye and thank you.